Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to use a Google Drive to take notes, right? Because let's say you are going through a training program, you need to make sure that you have a way to take your note. Either you can use your notebook, but something that is bad with a notebook is that, let's say your son or your daughter basically take that and go and maybe drop it in the pool or inside the water, your note is gone, right? But let's say you kind of use some online tool to take your note. The good thing is that you can kind of share that also with friends, and you can share that with others that you want so that they can see your notes. And you can also even use your phone and also your computer to edit your note if you want, because most of the time when I myself, I was going through the training, sometime when I have my phone, somebody will just think that I am on Facebook or on YouTube or maybe on TikTok or Instagram. No, I am reading my note through my phone because I store everything in my Google account and I have access through my phone. I can basically tap through my phone, or I can sit down and use my computer keyboard to type my notes, right? How can you use this Google Drive efficiently? You have everybody here for sure basically have a Google account, and when you have a Google account, you have almost 15 gig free that you can use to store your notes, right? If you click here, this is my Google account, and if you go to this gear icon here, you guys will see that I can basically access something here called Google Drive. And when I open Google Drive, as you guys can see, go to my main drive, I have a bunch of stuff stored here in my Google Drive also. Now, let's say I'm going through a new training like a DevOps. I can go ahead, right click here and create maybe a new folder here that I'm going to call that, maybe, let me call that a Dell training. This will be where I'm going to take all my notes, and I can open this. When that is created, I can go ahead and open, right? And in there, I can create, you guys can see, you can create a Google Sheet. A Google Sheet here is exactly the same thing like a Word document, and you give the name, you take your note here. The good thing is that when you type something like this, you can now use your phone to open the same document through your phone, and you can continue typing, right? Now, as I'm typing here, if I take my phone here, I can open this document and I can type this with my phone without any issue. Also here, let's say you want to prepare a PowerPoint presentation, you can always go ahead here and open something here called a Google Slides, right? And when you use a Google Slides, you can choose any slides that you want by default here to fill up the template, and you can start writing your presentation, which is really great, right? And also, with the Google Drive, you can also store some files and also some directory. Let's say you have something that you just want to copy it and store it here as part of your note. Let me go to my download folder. And here, I basically have some stuff here. Let me see here in my download folder. I'm here in my document. I'm going to my download folder. Let's say I have this program here, which is a Geek Batch, that I want to kind of store this thing in my Google Drive. I can just go ahead and drag it and drop. It will upload this thing automatically. And let's say I have this file here, this Terraform stuff. I want to store it. I can just drag and drop, and you guys can see here that it is getting uploaded, right? When it's done, it's going to store it in here for safety, so that if I lose that, I can always get it here, right? I don't need all this thing in my account. I'll go ahead and remove that. The purpose was just to show you guys how you can use a Google Drive to go ahead and take your note efficiently. With this, you can design all your Word document here or your PowerPoint document here, right? That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure that you do so that if we publish a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Bye-bye.